My name is Ram Muivah. I am MLA 44 Assembly Constituency, Ukhrul. Today, I want to share with you a very important development on the advice of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Biren Singh. We, together with Honorable MLA Muivah, Sri Singh, the Deputy Commissioner of Rule, Sri Krishna Kumar, the Nhidcl officers led by Sri Dharmendra Chaudhary, Executive Director, and his colleagues, Lieutenant Colonel John Sherry, General Manager, and others, and also FTO Ukhrul-Imphal and subcontractor of the National Highway construction. Starting from Yangang Popi to Finch Corner, National Highway 202 sector, we went to inspect. Realizing the terrible condition of the lifeline of Ukhrul and Kamchong district, Honorable Chief Minister had a marathon meeting on this issue yesterday, and on his advice, today, starting at 7:20 a.m., we all went to inspect the road. National Highway 202, especially Yangang Popi to Ukhrul sector, is one of the oldest national highway in Manipur. But we were all crestfallen, shocked and dismayed at the terrible condition of this road. The entire stretch was full of dust. We were all enveloped by dust. Imagine the condition of the people of Kamchong Ukhrul district. Travel day, subjected to such excruciating, torturous journey. We question the Nhidcl as to why the work was awarded way back in 2018. Even after a lapse of 4 years, the road has not been blacktop, even a small stretch. The subcontractor who accompanied the Nhidcl has, of course, made lots of promises. We inspected their hot mix plant, which has been installed at TM Kasong. We are very happy that at least they have installed the stone crusher and the hot mix plant. They promised to start the blacktopping from 28 January. However, till date, they have yet to mobilize paver finisher. Without paver finisher, they can't do the blacktopping. I hope that Nhidcl will keep their word and blacktopping will start from 28 January. All along the way, there were village chiefs and affected families who complained that there were wrong measurement, wrong survey of the building, standing structure, the land, the horticulture farm, fishery pond, etc. I believe there were genuine cases of discrepancy, mistakes. Of course, we humans are prone to mistake. So, the Deputy Commissioner who was present on the spot reported that it is now beyond his jurisdiction. Whatever he has to do, he has done it. He has advised the affected landowners who are not satisfied or happy with the measurement or survey, or who feel that they had some injustice has been done to them, have been advised to approach the arbitrator. Arbitrator who was recently appointed by the government of Manipur in the person of Sri Divesh Daivar, a senior IS officer. They were advised suitably, and we have detailed inspection, and we hope that Nhidcl and subcontractor shall start the blacktopping from 28 January. Because my main concern is that in Manipur, given the heavy rain there is a season for black topping, especially from November to March when there are no rain. If they miss this season, they miss the whole year. So I am going to, together with my colleague, Lesho Keshing, Honorable MLA Muivah, we are going to submit a detailed report to the Honorable Chief Minister.